thing, one of the best things I've installed is that right there. This is a motion sensing light switch, right? So this will automatically turn on and off, and you can control it 1 minute, 5 minutes, and I think it's like, there's a few different settings, but basically all you do is you just double tap it. The instructions are pretty straightforward, and this will blink a certain amount of times, and that's how you know how long the lights will stay on. I really love this. I put this in my garage. I have them working with these LED lights. I was concerned that they may not work with these lights, but they seem to work fine. No issue so far. Family has loved it. We don't no longer, you know, you're walking in with a bunch of stuff in your hands. Do you have to worry about turning the lights on and off? They just automatically turn on and off. I have it set for a minute, which I think is a little low, but it's been working pretty well. I do need to fix this wall, move some switches around, but yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a matte black, and this is a shiny black, so it doesn't match exactly, but I think it looks good enough. You can also manually override it as well if you want to. So I highly recommend this anywhere in your house. I'm going to be installing them as well in my laundry room.